The dismissal is very, very bad for Justin Baldoni, at least as of right now. California has this wacky rule. It's a new rule under a law Gavin Newsom signed in October 2023. It's California Civil Code 47.1. And this was signed by Gavin Newsom. It extends the California Civil Code's definition of a privileged communication in a defamation action to include communications made without malice about an individual's own experience of sexual assault, sexual harassment, workplace harassment, or discrimination, and cybersexual bullying. And what this means is that any defendant accused of defaming someone who then wins, who gets, for example, the case dismissed against her, she's been accused of defaming him in, let's say, a 12b6 motion, and what was at issue was her privileged communication about her alleged sexual harassment or workplace harassment, is entitled to recover attorney's fees and costs, as well as treble damages and punitive damages. Treble means triple. This is what Gavin Newsom did, was said, if you get wrongfully sued for defamation, and the defamation you're accused of is you're a woman accusing somebody of sexually harassing you, and basically he fights back by saying this is defamation, and you as the woman, it could be the other way, but let's just go for, in this particular case, because that's the facts here, that it's the female accusing the male of sexual harassment, that you are not only entitled, if you win, if you prevail against this defamation charge, to your attorney's fees and costs, but we will triple those damages and potentially award you punitive damages to punish him and discourage others like him from bringing such defamation claims in California. I don't know how bad this is going to get, because I mean, her lawyers might have expended $5 million. I've worked at large law firms where you easily expend millions of dollars in fees in fighting a 12b6 motion. The attorney's fees are going to definitely be in the millions. The only question is how high. There would also be a question of reasonableness. This judge is not going to say, oh, you spent $50 million, Team Lively. Yeah, okay, now he has to pay you $50 million and I'm going to triple them. That's not happening. But let's say she has $5 million in attorney's fees. It is not outside of the realm of possibility that he then triples those and awards her $15 million in damages, and also potentially punitives. I don't think that's going to happen. It's all within the judge's discretion.